Did you know that this crunchy little vegetable can boost digestion, detox your body, and even support your immune system? If you're not eating radishes regularly, you're missing out on some serious health benefits. In today's video, we'll dive into why radishes are a superfood you should add to your diet. Plus, I'll share easy, delicious recipes you can make right at home, no fancy ingredients needed. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see radishes in a whole new way. Let's get started. Radish is providing a powerful boost to the immune system with its high vitamin C content. This nutrient is acting as an antioxidant that helps in fighting off infections like colds and flu. By consuming radish regularly, the body becomes more capable of resisting illnesses. Additionally, it is supporting white blood cell production, which is essential for immune defense. This makes radish a go-to food during colder months when immunity often needs extra help. Radish is aiding digestion thanks to its rich fiber content. This fiber is helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. It also becomes a supporter of gut health by promoting beneficial bacteria. The natural compounds in radish are stimulating bile production, which aids in breaking down fats. As a result, the digestive system is functioning more smoothly, and discomfort like bloating often goes away. Radish is acting as a strong antioxidant source due to compounds like anthocyanins and sulfur-containing elements. These antioxidants are fighting free radicals, which reduces cellular damage and aging. By doing this, radish helps in lowering the risk of chronic diseases. The body becomes better protected against oxidative stress, and overall health is improving with regular intake. Radish is contributing to heart health with its potassium content, which is regulating blood pressure. It helps in relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. By reducing strain on the heart, it becomes a preventive measure against cardiovascular issues. The fiber in radish also lowers cholesterol levels, making heart function more efficient and reducing risks over time. Radish is functioning as a natural detoxifier for the liver and kidneys. Its diuretic properties are helping the body flush out toxins through urine. This cleansing effect becomes vital for maintaining organ health. Additionally, it is supporting the removal of waste buildup, which keeps the system running smoothly and reduces the burden on these vital organs. Radish is assisting with weight loss due to its low-calorie and high-fiber nature. It provides a feeling of fullness, which helps in curbing overeating. By doing so, it becomes an excellent addition to diet plans. The water content also keeps the body hydrated, making metabolism more efficient and supporting fat-burning processes over time. Radish is improving skin health with its vitamin C and water content. It helps in keeping the skin hydrated and reduces issues like acne. The antioxidants are fighting signs of aging, such as wrinkles, by protecting skin cells. As a result, the complexion becomes clearer and more youthful with consistent use in the diet. Radish is offering relief for respiratory problems with its sharp aroma and bioactive compounds. It acts as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the lungs. This becomes especially useful during coughs or bronchitis. By soothing the airways, radish provides comfort and supports easier breathing, particularly in cold seasons. Radish is showing potential in cancer prevention thanks to glucosinolates. These compounds are breaking down into substances that may stop cancer cell growth. Research suggests it helps in reducing risks, especially with red radishes. By including it in meals, the body becomes better equipped to combat harmful cell changes over time. Radish is supporting bone health with its calcium and mineral content. It helps in strengthening bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. By providing these nutrients, it becomes a contributor to skeletal durability. Regular consumption ensures that bone density is maintained, reducing fracture risks as the body ages. So, what can we make using radish? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Slice 1 medium red radish thinly. Grate 1 teaspoon of ginger. Add radish slices, grated ginger, juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of honey to a pitcher. Pour in 1 liter of water, stir, and let it sit in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Strain and drink. Use 2 to 3 times a week for detox benefits. Mix 2 grated small radishes, 1 crushed garlic clove, and 1 finely chopped small onion in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Toss well and garnish with mint leaves. Eat daily during cold seasons for immunity. Peel and chop 1 small radish, 1 carrot, and 1 green apple. Blend with 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 1 cup water until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon honey if desired. Drink 3 to 4 times a week to aid weight loss. Sauté 1 chopped small onion and 1 crushed garlic clove in 1 teaspoon olive oil. Add 2 sliced medium radishes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in 4 cups water and a pinch of salt. Boil for 15 minutes. Add a handful of chopped parsley and blend. Serve hot. Use twice a week during coughs. Combine 1 grated large radish and 1 sliced cucumber in a bowl. Mix juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and a pinch of sugar for dressing. Pour over the salad and top with chopped dill. Eat 2 to 3 times a week for skin health. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.